In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect to a printer. In this instance it's going to be the Computer Lab printer, and to do that we're going to have to open up our system preferences, which is the icon that looks like gears. So we'll just click on that once, and we're going to then go and look for the print and scan icon under hardware. Once we found that, we'll click on it, and you can see I don't have any printers at the moment. Boo. So we've got to fix that, and it's reasonably simple. What we'll do is we'll just press plus to add a printer, and once we've done that we will see a list of printers here, but for the elementary school we go along to the little icon with IP underneath it, and then what we do is type in the address. Now the address for us always starts with ES, followed by usually the room number. In this case we're calling the printer in the lab, but here you would insert your room number, for example 208, then hyphen followed by printer. And what this will do is once you've typed that in, is it will say if it's a valid and complete address, everything looks good. So in this instance, for this printer we should check, it should be there already, but the protocol should be LPD, and print using this thing called generic PostScript printer. So we've just checked that. That's all we really need to do, so I'll now click add. It's going to ask me here, because we've got an option to do duplex printing, which means double-sided printing. We'll just click on this one and click OK. And it's telling us it's setting up, and it's done. That printer is now in my list. So if I want to use it, it's going to be available from any application. Just a word and warning though, if you haven't done this already, make sure that your default paper size is US letter. That will save you lots and lots of headaches and problems when you do print out your documents. So that's it, I've completed that. I can now exit out. Here what I'm going to do is just show you what that printer will now look like in an application. I'm in Excel. If I wanted to print from here, I could just click on the print icon. I can also go to the file menu and go to print, and you'll see that when it comes up it's got the name of the printer. Now in time I might add more printers. I might visit several rooms and wish to have access to those printers. I can just choose it from the drop down list. But everything here looks good, and if I was ready to go I would just click on print. That's it really, so good luck.